do this thing. Like, what is up? But anyway, y'all, okay. So the past couple days, my grandma has been getting on everybody's nerve. And when I say everybody, I mean everybody's nerve. My nerve, Kiara nerve, Janai nerve, everybody nerve. She been waking us up every morning, clean this, clean that. And it's about time we get grandmother back, you know? So a little bit of background. My grandma is crazy. She will cuss anybody out. She don't care how old you are. She don't care who you are. So we're gonna get grandma back. We're gonna do coughing up blood prank on my grandma. Now my grandma, she crazy, but she's caring. So we don't know how this gonna turn out. We're just gonna give grandma does her own medicine because this has been off the chain lately, and I'm not here for none of that, if you get what I'm saying. So let's get into the video. Let's go. Hey, the video, let's go. You okay? Are you okay? Here. Here. You okay? Tell them that. What's wrong with her? Yeah, on the floor. Look at her. Yeah. I don't know, but she going at it. You okay? Something wrong with her.
Get back.
Trying to see what's wrong with her now. It just keep coming on now. She said she didn't feel good earlier.
I gotta get
Come on,
that.
let us take her to South Food.
Take her to South Fork. Who gonna drive? You?
Did they? Don't let her get up.
Try to clean it up. Something.
I ain't never seen blood that red. There's something wrong with her stomach.
You ready?
Another one.
Huh?
Said she think you pregnant.
No. It look like, you see some red stuff, cause it blood don't leave a stain. That not look like blood. Probably some hot wings y'all ate them with. Let me see your mouth here.
You okay?
Cause that blood will turn brown when they hit a thing. Get a wet rag, or the dish rag.
No, let me get this back.
What did you eat,
Y'all
Ray?
gotta make it hot.
I ate some hot wings last night, but those wasn't red. What is red?
Some of you spitting up coming out red and ain't blue.
Dad said he coming right now.
Wet it again, lady. Put your clothes on. Go get Tell Jam to ride with that at. Where did she eat at Miss Woman?
That wing that she eat.
Uh-huh.
A fork a quarter.
Huh?
A fork
What?
a quarter.
What's that?
A burger, the nuggets.
That's not blood though. It's something she don't eat. The blood that didn't look like blood.
Can't be Kool-Aid.
What was it? It looked more like she drunk Kool-Aid.
Gonna guess what?
What?
camera. You didn't see those?
Mm-mm.
It's a prank. That's a prank.
I know it's a prank.
Y'all
Like
didn't see those cameras?
You see that?
Those cameras? It's a prank.
That's a prank. So this
Yeah.
shows.
I still don't want to stay on the floor.
Get rich.
I still don't want to stay on the floor.
When you get sick and nobody move, you're going to be in a world of trouble.
Cause it wasn't red blood. Now why y'all wanna put a prank like that? Cause I told you it wasn't blood. Y'all don't play prank like that when it comes to your head.
Y'all big old enough to know better.
So next time y'all get sick, ain't nobody gonna run down there. You gonna sit there and die. I ain't gonna be good with it. We could have had a heart attack. Then what you gonna do then?
So what's up, y'all? So some of them mad. Don't play about your health, this and that. She mad, y'all. She mad. She mad.
We
She
got it,
mad. She mad. I bet she won't wake nobody else up no more. But yeah, she mad, y'all. She said next time we dying, don't call her. You know, the usual. The sister's upset. And guess what? I don't care. What y'all got to say?
If y'all want to see more stuff like that, comment down below. Make sure y'all like this video because it's us against them. Yes. And we got them.
Yes. All right, y'all. See y'all later.